The Institute has just completed front and side high-speed crash tests of the brand new Volkswagen Jetta, and the results are very good. In the frontal test, it rated good, and in the side test, it rated good and a best pick. We conducted these tests at the request of Volkswagen because they told us that during the development of the new Jetta, they had put significant effort into getting good results in the Institute's test programs. The performance of the new Volkswagen Jetta in our side impact test was extremely good. The side curtain airbags, which are standard equipment, provided good protection for the driver and rear passengers' heads. All of the other injury measures were low, and the structural performance was rated as good. This is one of only 2 cars that we've rated the structural performance as good. Overall, this offers very good protection against serious injuries in side impact crashes. The performance of the Volkswagen Jetta in the side impact test was very good. This is a very demanding test. Despite the severity of the impact, the curtain airbags provided effective protection for the driver's head. Injury measures on the torso and pelvis of the driver dummy were also low. The rear passenger's head was also protected by the curtain airbags, and injury measures on the torso and pelvis of this dummy were also low. And the side structure of the Jetta was very good. It resisted intrusion much better than almost all of the other vehicles we've ever tested in this program. The performance of the Volkswagen Jetta in the frontal offset crash test was rated as good. The structure held together extremely well. Injury measures on the dummy's head, torso, and left leg were also low. However, we did record moderately high forces on the dummy's right leg. As a consequence, the Jetta just misses being a best pick for frontal crash protection. Putting together the results for the Volkswagen Jetta from our frontal offset test, the side impact test, and our rear impact test for whiplash injury protection makes the Jetta the top-rated, inexpensive mid-size car in our program.
Front's looking real good.
It's not good for us. Special.
That's
sounds good.
Thanks, Mark. Hold impact. Check. Going to running mode. 3, 2, 1. We're ready.